Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. So while playing the Roblox and you encounter this error, then let's go quick into the fixes. Make a right click at the start button, then you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize the Task Manager window, and here simply search Roblox in the search bar. Make a right click and select End Task. Now, once you have completely closed Roblox processes here in the Task Manager window, then you can just simply launch the Roblox game again. Then in the Windows search bar, type here ncpa.cpl. Control panel items, simply click on that. Now here in the Network Connections window, simply make a right click on your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Make a right click, select Properties. Now the Properties window will be up. Now you have to click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Another window will appear. So what we can do is we have this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate, type here 8.8.4.4. Click on OK, and then simply close this windows. Then type CMD in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Now here, type these commands. NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter. Type exit. Hit enter. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So what we can do, click on the start button, go to settings, click on apps, installed apps. Then here you'll find Roblox. Simply click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. And we need to reinstall that, so simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Click on that under the best match. Now type in the search bar roblox.com. It's roblox.com/download. Hit enter. Click on this button, download Windows app. Click on the installer file, close the browser. And this will reinstall Roblox into your Windows. So once this has been reinstalled, then you can just simply click on sign in, enter your credentials, and continue enjoying the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.